So in my last video, I changed out the ergonomics of my mic, and Asus furnished me with a brand spanking new monitor for my setup. But I also expressed some concern that I might not be able to make the most out of the monitor since my GTX 1070 died and I had to revert to my old GTX 960 just to be able to game and edit videos. Well, I think Asus loves me very much, so they sent a follow-up package containing this. This is the RTX 2080. It's not new by any standards, but this will be the first time that I will have a GPU of this tier at home. But unlike the monitor, this is not a for keeps unit. I will have to return this after a while. But man, I am going to make sure to 1. Milk my airtime out of this, so expect a few videos featuring this soon, and 2. Well, take full advantage of the VG27A and RTX 2080 combo. So while this time-lapse of me installing the RTX 2080 plays in the background, let me just address you guys watching the videos. First, I assure you the ROGI review will be released on Saturday 9 PM. That's GMT plus 8 because I live in the Philippines. Second, I do feel like I have to apologize a little bit for the slow releasing of videos. I do have a day job, which is also making videos and managing the brand that makes those videos. And all of the videos you see on this channel are just done in my free time. And free time is hard to come by. So yeah, I'm not winning any awards for being first anytime soon, but I promise that you guys will always get detailed, straightforward, and cinematic watching experiences from me in every single video. So I do hope you guys stay subscribed. Like the videos if you want. I don't like pestering you guys about it, I just want to keep making content. So there, that's the RTX 2080 installed in my PC. I will be using this setup for my review of the Asus TUF VG27A, so I don't think I'm going to have any problems reaching that 165Hz refresh rate on the monitor. A big thank you to my friends over at Asus Philippines for this loaner unit. I won't kill it like I did with my GTX 1070. I promise. And that's everything for this short update. My last video was, well, the desk update part 2. Have you guys seen it? Here's a link. You might want to watch it. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.